So now we are in a special area in Hall 1 of the Global Sources Gifts and Home Show Asia World Expo. This is the Yangjiang e-commerce pavilion, and most of these exhibitors are e-commerce ready, meaning they have stock available and they're looking for distributors of their products on Amazon, eBay, and all that. So, and that's really a good thing to know because e-commerce selling is really hot right now. So let's go take a look. It's easy to spot. Just look for the booths with the fancy pink design. So these are, I would say, stainless steel. It could be chrome. Kitchen gadgets, small kitchen gadgets. You've got cutters and looks like graters, slicers of different shapes and sizes. Hello. Can we go inside? Okay, thank you so much. Hello. We just want to show your products. We are live on Facebook now, so we can. Yes.
Stainless steel products for something like kitchenware, table gadget,
And what
something.
kind of finish or plating do you use?
Uh,
'Cause this
ele-
is,
electron plate.
electric plated.
Yeah.
These are very
Mm-hmm.
And what's your most popular or newest product now? Oh, okay. All of these. So very, very modern. You have pineapple slicers and it's garlic press. These are very, very modern looking gadgets. Is this the pineapple slicer?
Core.
Core.
Removed
Oh, yeah.
core of the pineapple.
Yeah, okay.
Use very convenient.
Very convenient. Yeah, so you don't have to cut the core of the pineapple. What are these?
Holder.
Vegetable holders.
When you cutting the vegetable, something like onions, cabbage, something, and meat, even you use this and stick into the something you want to cut, and you can slide into even pieces of slice.
I see. All right, so thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day today. And yeah, thank you, and we'll see you. Bye bye. Okay, and moving on. Oh, we have knives of Damascus steel. Hello there. Hi. Can you tell us briefly about your company and your product?
Oh, yeah, actually, we are mainly produce the kitchen knife. Yeah, you can see. So here is the most high quality knife. We use the yes. Those you can see they have the pattern on the base. This is we call diamond steel. It's a 60s. Yes, diamond is which is a 67 layers material like the sandwich. So you can see they have special patterns on the base and have a long stick surface, and the corrosion resistance is higher than the normal steel.
Oh
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
Damascus steel is more high end than
Yeah,
your
more
usual.
high end than the normal steel.
Yeah.
The quality, just the raw material is much more expensive than the normal steel.
A lot more better.
Yeah, and this like the traditional Japanese style, the
Yes.
sushi like
knives.
yeah, and sentoku. You can see.
And how do you get those patterns? I see some patterns.
Actually, beside the special material, we do some special technique, the workmanship on the base. This stem on the base, and different kind of polishing. So they have a different finish. You can see, even same diamond steel, but the base finish is different.
Finish, different pattern.
Yes.
And what do you use for the handle? This is
The
wood.
handle, yes, is a wood, and the cow horn. This a horn, and some kind is very special hardwood. Yeah, yes, yeah.
Yes, you have sushi knives, chef's knives,
And the traditional Western style. Yeah.
kitchen knives.
Yes.
Yeah. And of course, we have safety knife holders here.
Yes. Protection. Let's say with the small one. Yeah, we just put inside the cabin, the drawers for storage. Yes.
For safety.
Yes, safety and protect the sharpness, the edge. Yeah, the life you load it to always to resharpening.
So you are in the e-commerce pavilion, so that means you are
Yeah,
e-commerce
we are ready for the Amazon buyer. Yeah. We have even small quantity. The end motive is a lot smaller than the normal export market. So special for the Amazon buyer. Yeah.
And Amazon right now is very, very popular. Yes, Amazon selling, and I think that's the wave. Yeah, that's the wave of the future.
Yeah, another chance for us.
Yes, exactly. All right. So thank you very
Yeah,
much.
you're welcome.
Okay. Good luck with the show.
Thank you.
Thank you. And let's move on. So again, we are in Hall 1 of Asia World Expo, the Yangjiang e-commerce pavilion. Let's continue to look around. Oh, hello. Hello there. Can we take a look at some of your products?
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
So your specialty I see is kitchenware.
Yes, kitchenware, and then the hot sale is that one.
Okay, let's take a look.
Let's-
Yes.
It's set.
It's a breakfast set
Yeah, breakfast.
that holds
Yeah, for
eggs.
eggs. Yes,
and-
for eggs.
And what's it made of material?
High quality stainless steel.
Stainless steel.
Yes, 18 and 10 material.
Okay.
Yes.
And finish, is there a finish, or is this just
Satin.
satin finish?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
satin finish.
And how do you, is this the what
And
you
the-
use to crack the egg?
yeah.
Yes. Oh, there you go.
The egg put here, and then you can. There is a spring here inside.
There's a spring.
Yes, and then the egg will be broken.
Open.
Yeah,
So you don't
open.
have to do
Yeah,
the
yes,
usual
yes.
crack on the table
Yes.
thing. All right. Okay, let's go around. There are some more booths to look at. There are buyers here, so we will not disturb them. They have tactical pens, carabiners, pocket tools, and even more buyers. Oh, and if you look to my left, let's turn to the left. We're near the Cool Design Gallery, by the way, and you can see that there's somebody presenting a product. So again, if you just tuned in, we are at the Gibson Home Show in Hong Kong, Asia World Expo. This is Hall 1, the Yangjiang Pavilion. It's easy to spot. When you enter Hall 1, look up, you will see that big banner that says Yangjiang Pavilion. So it's easy to spot. And then all their booths are in pink. Okay, so let's turn the corner for some more products. So here we have silicone bakingware, molds, and utensils, and even more pocket knives. Hello, we are live on. Facebook now. So, do you want to introduce your products briefly? Can we take a look at some of the products?
We are specialized on the razor and its related products like this bear brush and this stuff to sharpen the razor.
Oh, yeah, it's very
To sharpen the razor. And our razor, we have this like.
What's it made of? Material?
Yeah, this is stainless steel, and we have treatment to make it black. Surface treatment. And this steel is Damascus.
Let me hold the mic, please.
Oh, this is Damascus steel.
Damascus steel.
Yeah.
You will see there's a pattern there that's just like the knives in the other booth.
It will be nice. It will be nice. Look.
These will make very good gifts for like Father's Day, corporate giftware. They're very classic items. You rarely see razors now, but these are been made modern by new materials and new finishes and new designs. Look, if you see, there are patterns. So a very classic product, but with a modern twist. All right. Well, we have buyers looking around. So thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, there's some more. And we have mirrors. And we are looking at very, very elegant trays. Can we get somebody to, would you like to show us your booth? Hello. Can you talk to us about some of your products now? Material.
Yes, iron. You can put it just like this.
Yes. And what's it made of?
Middle iron,
Iron.
Yes.
All of these are made of iron.
steel, iron,
Uh-huh.
and glass.
Oh, okay. How do we get the design?
Hot and
Hot press?
yes,
Uh-huh. And any design can we?
yes,
Okay, so if, for example, I'm a buyer and I want to order, I give you a design. Can you?
you can give me picture. I can do this.
Okay.
Yes, any picture is okay.
Any MOQ for that?
Yes. Yes.
What's the MOQ?
Sorry.
Minimum order.
Yes.
What's minimum order? How many pieces?
500.
500.
Yes.
500 sets or pieces?
Set.
Sets.
500
500 sets. And this is about, what's the FOB price?
FOB price just $10.
10 US.
Yeah.
Alright. So these are very, very elegant trays. I was mentioning earlier, I thought these were mirrors, but they're actually trays with a glass base. So they can actually double as mirrors. And they can double as display pieces. They're so beautiful and they're so sophisticated. All right then. So thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so again, we are in the Yangjiang e-commerce pavilion of the Global Sources Gifts and Home Show, where you can find curated, innovative, and creative premiums, kitchenware, houseware, pet products, pet supplies, outdoor gear, furniture, promotional items, souvenirs, and all that stuff. And hello, we see an Analyst Choice Award here. There's the plaque, which means this product model KFF8004 was selected by our experts for its outstanding features. Can we see this product? Oh, here it is. It's the knife. Okay, I should not be holding my hand like that. It's very dangerous. 5CR15 MOV steel. Yes. And
handle is made of ABS.
oh, okay.
Hello.
And is this a set or just the knife?
Oh, we have a set. This one we cannot show it on on this fair, but we have some improved version here.
Okay, let's look at the improved version.
Yeah, this is our new design, and our company is a young company with many customer which is sell on the online stores. And we have some big customer in the Amazon also. Yeah, already some big brand customer in the yes. But some of them they have some of knife set or some knives has exclusive now. Some also we cannot show their products on the
At the trade show, of course, yes. We don't want competitors to see the exclusive products. Can you show us some more of your products? Oh, don't be fooled. This is not like knives hanging from an invisible something.
This knife set is also hot selling in the Amazon, as you can see. But we also have some improvement on the design and have a little bit change on the materials. Yeah, so I think it is quite good, and we are the young team, and I hope you guys come to our booth. Our booth is 1D17, right? Okay, thank you.
All right,
you.
thank you so much. Okay, we'll wrap it up here. Again, Hall 1 of Asia World Expo. This is the Yangjiang e-commerce pavilion. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.